In fact, the satisfying sound of your lover smacking the pavement is the only thing that gets me to sleep every night.